Welcome to the BudgetEase broadcast. Today we're going to talk about what to do with all those receipts. I mean, do you really need to keep receipts? In short, yes, you do. Keeping accurate records and your receipts is essential for effective bookkeeping and financial management. Receipts matter because they serve as evidence of transactions. They help you minimize taxable income, improve the chances of refunds, and maintain transparent, certifiable records. I have found there are 3 different types of people. 1, people who scan every single receipt, which is fabulous, and keep it in a file electronically, but this is time consuming. 2, people like me who keep our receipts. We try to make it really easy. And 3, there are those people who just are overwhelmed by receipts and paper and have them all over their house or their car, or they're just tossed. As a result, they can never find a receipt they have. They're often unable to determine what they paid for at a certain time, and therefore lose the opportunity for an expense, to record an expense. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or you're managing household expenses, here's a tip on how to keep receipts organized. I use a basket system. Anytime I buy anything, I get a receipt, I put it in my wallet, which I keep on me most of the time. Next, I take all my receipts out periodically, along with any bills that I've paid, and put them in a basket. So the basket sits on a shelf and it holds all of my receipts so far this year, which is about 6 months worth of receipts. At the end of each year, I take a Rubbermaid bin and put all my receipts along with any bills that I've paid inside that bin. So here you go, all my receipts for the year and any bills. I have 7 bins like this because we need to keep our receipts for 7 years. At the end of the years, I stack this bin in a closet. I have a total of 7 of these representing 7 years of receipts. After that, I will shred the contents of the box of the oldest bin, and I place the year's receipts in the oldest bin. I put the ones for the current year end so that there's always a constant changeover in these little Rubbermaid bins. This way, I never have to worry about it. This is an easy system to use in case you ever need to find a receipt for something you bought a couple years ago or you're experiencing an audit. Remember, consistent record keeping simplifies bookkeeping and ensures accurate financial reporting. This will make life easier for small business owners and hopefully you. Hey, thanks so much for joining us for this BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found the information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.